If you're already using Instagram, you might have noticed that they recently introduced Instagram ads. However, it's not yet available to everyone. Since the launch of the application, users came up with a different strategy to promote on Instagram, but not so many people know about that. Have you ever seen an Instagram profile with hundreds of thousands of followers or millions of followers and with contact information in their bio for business proposals? If you've seen one, probably the person behind it is successfully monetizing his Instagram activity. How? Easy. Companies selling products belonging to the same niche contact him or her and ask him or her for a paid shout out, a recommendation to follow a specific account. This type of advertisers charge anywhere between $20 to $500 for a shout out, depending on how large and active their audience is. This type of negotiations is beyond Instagram's control and will probably keep on existing even after the introduction of Instagram ads. At the moment, it's still going very strong. So how do you become a self-made advertiser? Let's go through the steps you need to take. You need to expand your audience using all the strategies we've seen so far. No one will pay to have a post featured on your account if you don't have at least 10,000, 15,000 followers. Don't worry if these figures seem huge. You can get there pretty quickly, especially if you use Instagram. Download Kik, an instant messaging app. It's often used by advertisers on Instagram. Add your email and Kik username to your Instagram bio. And that's it. As your audience grows, people will start noticing you. Now that you know about this, pay attention to the activity of big Instagram accounts and take a look at how many shout-outs they give to smaller accounts. You'll be amazed. We're at the end of our Instagram section. Now you're ready to go back to your editorial plan and add your Instagram strategy. See you in the next lecture where we'll talk about niche social media sites.